Good morning. It's 6:30 right now, and me and Smith, we both are heading towards this secret location on this island. Till yesterday, we were shooting others. So today, we thought, why not to shoot us before leaving? We are heading for our personal shoot. I hope you'll enjoy the footages.
Breaking free from the long night. Only close till the sun.
So that's the trail for secret location on this island.
Everything's gonna be alright.
So that's how the trails are looking. I have no idea where we have to go. I'm assuming we have to go in. No, this doesn't look like. I guess we both are lost. And that's Smith. He's also searching for the trail. Even the sunlight. So sunlight started coming. It's 6:51 right now. We are still out. We are still searching for the proper location. We are not getting anything. We don't have location markers over here. No pointers. Nothing. That's Mr. Smith. Spotted shooting me. So Smith, what do you think? Where is the location? Why we can't find it? So we came out of here and we are again on the main road. It says that's a jungle run road and the secret spot was there. So let's check there. Oh my god. It's like a morning walk we are doing. I guess we are almost there. If I'm not wrong, the light is getting stronger as you guys can see. Something is here. Smith is waiting.
Finally, we got it.
We got it. Where is it? Oh yes, that's the secret spot. And we are planning to shoot, of course, at the gate, not here, because this looks like wedding ceremony spot. A lot of signage. Let's start with our shoot. Now we are heading for breakfast and then later on maybe we'll go for second location. Sorry, third location.
It is third location.
I have no idea. You know. Which is third location? Gym.
We are going for gym. Workout.
Okay. He wants to go for workout. In Mumbai, he never goes, and when he is in Maldives, he wants to go for workout. Nice, really nice. So we have to walk a lot just to go from one location to second location. That's the spa, and trust me, it's shit expensive. Okay, just for the foot massage or like any massage, the pricing is almost $100 and plus and $600 and plus. Let's go, let's have breakfast. No matter how much you eat when you're out, you will end up feeling hungry after 10 minutes. That's the max how much you can survive without food. Every 10 minutes you will feel hungry. So that's the beautiful restaurant. Finally, we are back to our room. Now we're just gonna crash and let's see. Our checkout is at 12, and right now it's 8:30. So we'll chill for that time. So it's time for checkout. Though our flight is at 10 o'clock in the night, 10:30 ish, but we have to check out because we're going to still today. So we're gonna keep our luggage in the reception and then roam, and then maybe we'll go for lunch.
रिसेप्शनला जाऊन विचार की आत्ताचं जेवण आहे का. नंतर तिथे जेवायला गेल्यावर विचारतील तर वी डोंट हॅव पॅकेज इन्क्लूड ऑफ युअर लंच फूड असं काहीतरी बघायचं का.
So it's 12:30 right now, and we have to wait till 3 o'clock because our transfer to Mali from Ifru is at 3. So there's one twist. We are not flying. We are gonna sail. We're gonna go by boat.
Yeah.
So I thought that we were about to go in the boat. We were about to sail, but no, I was wrong. We are about to sail, and at the same time, we have to fly. So we're gonna take the seaplane now from here till Male. So these are the famous Maldives cottages, waterhouse, whatever you wanna call it. So now we are gonna take this seaplane right over here. So now we are heading towards seaplane. But I get it. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Finally, we are here in Mali. So we have to walk like that, literally. That's our luggage. Thank you so much. We reached at Male airport. We took water plane and it was quite good. First time experience, it was quite good. Interesting though. We have got a lot of time in Male, so we decided to take a city tour. And now we are in the Male city. We are going to the local shops, local market. That's our guide, BT. Hi, BT.